Mr. Dewan, thank you very much for taking out time today to be with us and talk about leadership and talk about the tourism in India. Uh, I am going to touch a point of outbound. That's my horizon. Three important universities who are here, their efforts have been put in to compile white papers. If you remember, I promised you that outbound tourism is going to present a white paper to Government of India.
Thank you.
And this is a step forward towards that, sir. I really acknowledge the effort that you have put in. Although we don't know the kind of work that has gone in behind the scenes, but I know it is not a very simple job. It takes a lot of effort. Thank you very much for doing that. So the intention of this is that we are going to start our journey to look at how outbound tourism and inbound tourism goes hand in hand. Although the number right now is far, there's a gap there, but we just believe in one thing. If total number of outbound travel increases, there's a seat capacity, there's going to be a lot of infrastructure which is going to be available here, which inbound is going to use. And outbound tourist becomes a brand ambassador for India to bring in tourism over here in India. So I take this privilege. It's my honor to present this to you, sir.
And I agree that once seat capacity increases, it's two-way. If seat capacity takes Indians out, it brings people from those countries in.
Absolutely.
Thanks. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So we got to make some citations. I would like to thank the guest of honors from the world of academia. And in order to hand over the citations, I would like to call on stage the industry veteran of tourism industry. He's been there with us for almost 30 years now, founder of Swift Travel. On several committees as advisors, as far as the tourism is concerned, former president of TAI. He's a director of UFTA, South Asia. Of course, advisor on CII, FICCI, and ASS, OCHAM. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about Raji Rai. Please join me. Welcome, Mr. Raji Rai. Welcome, sir.
After a nice lunch and a thought-provoking session, we are already an hour and a half late. And Stuart, I'll have to apologize because professor has to catch a plane. And I have been given a most wonderful job to actually recognize what we are actually here for. We are here for the fact of seeing how we can create more leadership. Leadership, ladies and gentlemen, can only come through participation, through education. So there are two aspects of Anand today, and I'm very pleased that Vikas has initiated this. I hope it does kind of become a situation which can create more and more education, more and more learning, and more thought-provoking leaders. We have three very eminent leaders here amongst us, and I shall, after I give a brief about each one of them, request them to come here and say something for the audience. And the most important person, apart from the two others, is Professor Manjula Chaudhary. Professor Chaudhary, please welcome her. She has 25 years of experience as an academician at Kurukshetra University. She moved from business management to tourism management in 1991. Correct me if I'm wrong somewhere, ma'am. And since then has been engaged in education and research in tourism. In 2010, she took over as the director of the Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management. She has published extensively through research articles and books on tourism. She has also worked on many research projects and consultancy assignments. Her main areas of interest are tourism marketing and tourism behavior. But she has also researched extensively in niche areas of medical tourism, MICE, and socially relevant areas of gender sensitivity in the tourism industry, which is quite unique. Ladies and gentlemen, Professor Manjula Chaudhary. Ma'am.
Thank you very much. I thank Vikas and his team for the honors. I never knew that we have been contributing through education because teaching and mentoring students has been my passion. And today when I see a good number of my students present in this meet who are doing very well in this industry, this is a matter of great satisfaction. And I compliment Vikas for taking the industry meet to a higher level because I get to attend a lot of meetings. Most of the time industry is interested in their immediate concerns and issues, but discussing something about the thoughts to understand what are the key drivers of the industry, in which direction we are going, it's a unique thing, it's very important. Congratulations again, and I thank you all. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
I have a citation, the pleasure to give ma'am a citation as well as a plaque. Citation briefly reads, distinguished academician, writer, researcher, consultant, eminent scholar, Professor Dr. Manjula Chaudhary is an acclaimed thought leader. Proclaimed director of the Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, she is the first lady to head the Premier Institute and has been associated with the country's first master's degree in tourism program at the Kurukshetra University. She is a visionary, a publisher of articles in leading journals and magazines, an author of several books, an inspiring guide, and for a large number of doctoral theses, vision behind a large number of international and national conferences. Dr. Chaudhary has had a long-lasting impact on the industry. Anand and me and Vikas are very pleased to confer an award of honor along with the citation to Professor Chaudhary. Give her a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh. Our second eminent personality is a very dear friend of mine. This is none other than Professor Dr. Manohar Sajnani. I have had the pleasure of meeting him number of times during his tenure, which he still is, at the Amity. In fact, I saw off a postgraduate batch few years ago, thanks to Doc. And Professor, of course, hasn't changed. He has all the zeal, all the energy in the world, never says no. Anything to do with tourism and travel, hospitality, Professor Sajnani. Professor Sajnani is a well-known scholar in tourism and hospitality with over 21 years of experience as an academician, imparting practical training in tourism and hospitality students at the PhD post-graduation and undergraduation level. He has been associated with the Amity University of Uttar Pradesh as Dean Faculty of Hospitality and Tourism and Director of the Amity Institute of Travel and Tourism since 2004. In pursuance to his passion for bringing more practical orientation to academics in tourism, he has developed a strong focus on the industry academia interface to provide optimum exposure to his students through participation as volunteers in the national and the international trade shows. So make it simpler, Vikas. Like ITB Berlin, SATE, OTM, TTF, ATM, let me finish it, and many more to complete the list. He has published 8 widely circulated books on tourism, along with 23 research articles. Remarkable. And papers being referred to by students and scholars in the field of travel, hospitality and aviation. He has worked on many consultancy assignments as the principal and co-principal resources. Dr. Saab, can I request you to say a few words?
Ladies and gentlemen, I never knew my CV will be, so impressive. Believe you me, it's a news to me. Because, we teachers are doers. We believe in action. We don't keep account of it, actually. Because when you enter into this phase of life where I am today, I don't have to apply anywhere for a new job. So I don't keep account of my work. Except my students who are around here, those who have passed out over the years, they meet here and there. They give you the feeling that yes, you have spent almost now 21 years in teaching. They make you feel young. I am in difficult situation today for two reasons. Number one, two of my mentors are sitting here as the co-recipient of these honors. My PhD guide, Dr. Bagri, he's on my one side. My other professional mentor, Manoj Chaudhary ma'am, is on the other side. So I am feeling so highly elevated today that, I'm sharing the dais with them today. Probably this is a dream which hardly comes true in case of many cases. So I am one of the rarest of the rare wherein, this dream has come true. All regards to both of you, ma'am. I feel highly honored and humbly accept the honor which Vikas sir, pardon me if I am calling you Vikas sir, which I have been doing for last many years now, more than a decade, ever since we have met. And the Anayant, I promised him before I leave, I'll give a new meaning to this word, Anant. So I was, scribbling it down on the notepad. I made it, it is in Hindi actually, which is our easily understandable language, which reads, Aya na aaj ek new thought. Aya na aaj new thought. आज सबके लिए एक नया थॉट आया है, तो वी मस्ट गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू विवा वॉयेजेस, विकास जी एंड हिज टीम फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दिस न्यू थॉट टू द डे. And with this, thanks once again.
We have the honor to give you the citation and the plaque as well. Once again, a small brief about my wonderfully celebrated friend. Celebrated professional, consultant, scholar, distinguished academician, practitioner, eminent researcher, Dr. Manohar Sajnani is an eminent personality in the hospitality industry in the true sense. Proclaimed Dean, Faculty of Hospitality and Tourism and Director, Amity Institute of Travel and Tourism, he is known for his passion to bring practical orientation to academics in tourism. We are pleased, and may I request Vikas to come here to confer the award of honor and the citation to His Excellency.
Sir. Aja, sir.
I got a new gift for him.
Oh.
I said, thank you, sir.
So he's with it. Oh, that's wonderful. That's great, sir. Thank you.
ऊपर करो ना plaque.
Oh, अच्छा. Oh, sorry.
ये सिखाना पड़ता है इनको प्रोफेसर.
उल्टा हो गया. एक मिनट इसको कुछ Thank you.
Thank you.
Last two words for
Please.
Raji Rai, sir.
हाँ जी सर.
Sir, I have seen you for last so many years now, and you are just like the same what I think I saw you a decade back. So kindly keep your charm on.
Thank you. Two things. One, our dear friend anchor said, our friend for 30 years, I don't accept it very easily. It's showing the age much more that I am. And in tourism, one never grows old. So, Professor Bagri, the third, not the least, one of the most well-known academicians in tourism, Professor Bagri. Just 1 minute, I'll read out a few words about you, sir. I know you are in a bit of a hurry. Professor Bagri is a well-known scholar in tourism and hospitality discipline and has had a strong passion for advancing tourism and hospitality education and research in India, as well as in the Middle East, Asia and Africa. He obtained his master's from the Allahabad University and completed a technical course on cultural tourism management from Rome under the fellowship of the government of Italy way back in 1986. He started his career as a lecturer at the HNB Garhwal University and continued there till 1985 when he was elevated to the post of professor at the Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, IITTM Gwalior, Ministry of Tourism. Government of India. In 1998, he moved back to the Garhwal University and held the position of Director of Department of Mountain Tourism and Hospitality Studies. Besides discharging the responsibility as the Dean School of Management till July 2012, in order to promote quality research and hospitality, he started the publication of the Journal of Tourism from Garhwal University in this, along with the University of Southern Mississippi as its editor-in-chief. Welcome, sir. I would be pleased if you could say a couple of words.
Ladies and gentlemen, and Vikas and his party, it is really epoch-making event in my career that someone is felicitating me by contributing something on tourism. I hope that this organization will also felicitate some students of tourism who are getting good marks in their master degree. Students normally come to you for job and you people provide them employment. But if Vikas and his party also felicitate some students who scored good number of marks and comes first, that will be really very wonderful and they will always remember you. We people have already crossed that age when we need more appreciation. But anyway, you are giving us some added value and I will teach now more better. I will do something more better research in the pretext of getting some more rewards and appreciation from all of you. In my university that I am leading, a new university, that university is also of Sri Subhash Ji, of G Group founder, and I am also introducing a course of MBA in tourism. One day I will also organize a conference over here, and I will invite all of you to come and to bless my students, how to come up with the industry, and such a nice galaxy of experts I cannot find out in Dehradun and other parts. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. A citation for you. Professor Bagri, he is a celebrated scholar, author, academician and thinker. He is a name that is synonymous with the tourism and hospitality industry. His passion for advancing tourism and hospitality education and research across various continents has earned him the stature of being an eminent thought leader. Thank you for being with us today, sir. A visionary in the true sense. Currently, he is the Vice Chancellor, ladies and gentlemen, of the Himgiri Zee University in Dehradun, and has held several key positions in this illustrious career. Ayanant and Vikas is pleased to confer an award of honor, Professor Bagri. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for this brief interlude between Stuart and all of us. And thank you, Vikas, for improving my diction so quickly.